RingCentral versus Grasshopper. Hi guys, RingCentral and Grasshopper are two of the best voice-over internet protocol solutions, but which one should you be using? To help you make an informed decision, I'll explain the main differences between Grasshopper and RingCentral, and we'll consider 4 criteria to see how these two tools stack up. And thank you for using the links in the description. So let's find out which is better for you. Grasshopper and RingCentral are both solid VoIP options, but they each best suit the needs of different situations. Whereas RingCentral is best for a business with a team, Grasshopper is better for a solopreneur or micro company working within a budget. First of all, let's start with the downsides. With Grasshopper, you get limited features. Grasshopper lacks a few features that could greatly improve team communication. Grasshopper has no option for video conferencing, which is becoming an absolute necessity in today's remote work environments. And Grasshopper has no team messaging feature, so text communication between employees must occur through a separate messaging app or email. And with RingCentral, it's difficult to cancel. Online reviews indicate that users have had issues with canceling both their free trials and paid services. Because each RingCentral plan has so many add-on plans, it can be tricky to make sure that you've opted out of each auto-renewal. To make matters worse, you cannot cancel with the simple click of a button. Rather, you have to speak with a customer service representative over the phone and then confirm the cancellation email. And if you cancel before your contract is up, you may have to pay a high cancellation fee. And now let's compare them for features. Both RingCentral and Grasshopper will give your business the phone lines necessary to offer a professional profile, but unlimited calling and texting are about the only similarity the two providers share in regard to service offerings. They do each offer a free trial to let you test the system out before making a more significant commitment. RingCentral's trial is 15 days, while Grasshopper's trial is 7. But RingCentral offers more than 200 integrations to Grasshopper's none, and RingCentral can host video conferencing for up to 200 participants, whereas Grasshopper has no video conferencing abilities. Both providers do offer a 99.999% uptime guarantee in their SLAs. Also, both providers do have 24/7 customer support, although Grasshopper does have a very large and active user base that it also relies on to help its customers. And for the ease of use and setup, the two apps are different in the fact that Grasshopper will require a dedicated phone number before setup. This means that getting started will take a little bit longer, which can put off some users. RingCentral is easier in the sense that you can pick a number as soon as you sign up and you're ready to go. When it comes to ease of use, we would say that the apps are more or less equal. Both are envisioned as phone-based systems that can be used online, and it doesn't take too much to find what you need, be it communicating with your customers or your internal team. However, bear in mind that RingCentral has more features and will take more time to get familiar with all of them. And for the integrations, RingCentral outperforms Grasshopper in this category, given its extensive range of integrations. Aside from all this software, the platform integrates with tools for automation, calendaring, customer support, developer tools, marketing automation, SMS, and storage. Moreover, with RingCentral APIs, you have the option to customize apps and support different business requirements. Meanwhile, Grasshopper integrations only consist of Google Voice and Skype. If your business relies on other tools like CRM, you get more value in choosing RingCentral. And for the pricing, RingCentral's pricing is on a per-user basis, while Grasshopper has a flat fee for the number of phone extensions. It may seem like the RingCentral service is more budget-friendly, but looking closely, Grasshopper wins in terms of cost per user and significant savings. Consider Grasshopper's small business plan, priced at $89 for 5 phone numbers and unlimited extensions and unlimited users with monthly billing. You get 10% discount if you pay yearly. The RingCentral's Essentials plan, which is the cheap plan, costs $33 per user per month. You get 40% discount if you pay yearly. Instead of choosing a RingCentral plan upgrade to accommodate more users in your team, consider Grasshopper packages that provide unlimited extensions. It's a cost-effective solution, especially for those who have team members who don't necessarily need a dedicated line. However, take note that adding phone numbers on Grasshopper costs $10 a month. You're free to choose local, toll-free, and vanity numbers. For RingCentral, you'll pay $4.99 for toll-free numbers and $14.99 for international toll-free numbers. So choosing between RingCentral and Grasshopper depends on your business and your needs. Grasshopper and RingCentral are both solid VoIP options. My recommendation? If you're looking for a unified communication system, RingCentral is the clear choice. It offers all the necessary communication systems needed by a business that relies on calls, texts, messaging, file sharing, and video conferencing. Grasshopper, on the other hand, is a simple phone system that is designed for ease of use by solopreneurs and micro-businesses. However, RingCentral and Grasshopper aren't alone in the world of business phone systems. So if you still want to investigate other platforms, make sure you check out videos about the best alternatives. Links are in the description. Other than that, it's up to you. So yeah, that's it for this video. You can check the links in the description. That helps a lot. Thank you. So hopefully this video helps you out. If it did, leave a comment and click the like button. That helps too. And bye-bye.